Hi everyone, welcome back again to Lucy Family Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today, let's make eggless chocolate chips vanilla cake. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also like and share this video. So for today's recipe, I'm going to be using yogurt. In your large mixing bowl, add your yogurt, white powdered sugar, then use your hand mixer to mix everything together. Next, add in your vegetable oil. You can also use butter for this recipe as well. Add few drops of vanilla essence, then use your hand whisk to mix everything together. Once you are done mixing, use your sieve to sieve in your flour gradually. Next, add your baking powder, a pinch of salt, then use a whisk or your spatula to mix. While mixing, you can also add in some water should in case if your batter is too thick. I'm going to go ahead to add in my remaining flour. Continue mixing until you form a perfect batter for your cupcake, and also make sure you do not overmix your batter. Finally, I'm going to add in my chocolate chips, then I'm just going to give it a quick mix. Then line your cupcake liner in your cupcake tray, then use your scoop to start scooping in your batter into your cupcake liner. So while I'm scooping in my cake batter into my cupcake liner, I noticed that I'm still going to have some extra cake batter left. So what I'm going to do is to transfer the remaining cake batter into a cake foil plate. So while you are doing this, make sure you switch on your oven to preheat it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So once you are done, transfer your cake into your oven and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. Finally guys, my cupcake is ready now. As you can see, it came out nice. And please guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support what I'm doing. Also like and share this video, and don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe on the comment section. See you guys on my next video. Bye.